wanted to talk about, it's really use cases of BIM, and you can see the amount of pieces or amount of information or uses that BIM can use. I mean, 2D really limits yourself. Like if you really talk about 2D, that's where it limits yourself. It's very difficult. When you talk about 2D, you have to make a 2D for this, you have to make a 2D for this, you have to make it, you cannot even do this. Construction logistic is really maybe a 2D if you really use it. There's barely any information here. Don't know what is going on here. Renovation is, hey, I don't know what kind of information you get. You get a 2D drawing from somebody which might not be good, might not be available sometimes. There is no programming, there is no conceptual designing in 3D and running analysis in 2D. So you can see how many things are missing in 2D. It's just nothing is there. Plus, if you really think about it, it's all duplication of data. Like every time you want to do something, it's all duplication. Versus now, if you look at BIM, what essentially happens is you have a model in the center. That's what really it's evolving. You have a model in the center. All the data points are extracted the way you want it. Okay, however you want to, it's the same document, and however, whatever data you need, you could use it from it. If you're doing a simulation, you don't need to know the XYZ of a door necessarily. So you're going to just pull the data from simulation standpoint. If you're doing fabrication, you don't need to know what or fabrication, you don't need to know what the energy load is. You're just fabricating. At that point, the XYZs and the details are very important. So you pull the geometry. Point is, it's going to be a central hub versus an isolated hub. And that's how the BIM is going to work. And this analysis and things are going to be very predominant in the construction industry.